Axel and Pfeiffer GTV. Please like, comment down, subscribe after watching.
Okay, identify what number is this.
1,
How about this one?
2,
How about this one?
3,
How about this one?
4,
How about this one?
5,
This one?
6,
This one?
7,
How about this one?
8,
How about this one?
9,
And the last one is?
10.
Okay, very good. Now you have to encircle the number. How about if you encircle number 3? Encircle the number 3. Look for number 3 and encircle it. Very good. How about number 10? Look for number 10 and encircle it. Good job. How about number 1? Look for number 1. Good job. Look for number 6. Encircle it. Very good. How about number 8? Look for number 8. Next, look for number 4 and encircle it. Look for number 4. Yeah. Good job, Mahal. Number 5. Look for number 5. Very good. How about number 7? Very good. How about number 2? Good job, baby girls. And the last number is number 9. Encircle number 9. Yay! Thank you so much. Well, what will you say?
Daddy!
Please like.
Daddy!
Ulitin na please like.
Daddy!
Ulitin na natin pakita kay Daddy. Number. Smile. Now ready? What number is this?
1,
Very good. This one.
2,
You look at here.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Very good.
11,
Good job.
12,
Very good.
13,
13.
14, 15,
No? 15.
19, 20.
What number is this? 20. Good job. Say please like,
Comment down
subscribe.
and then watching.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye. Mama. Ching, iabot mo sa akin yung color.